Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. Rune also saw a small spike today, just now as a result of probably the fake news around the ETF, Bitcoin spot ETF. There was some fake news going around, and now we possibly already saw all of Wave B. It's not very clear yet. If this is all of Wave B, then it was very, very shallow. I would personally favor a little bit more of a stronger B wave, at least to $1.86. But I have to say, it is a three-wave move. It could be complete. Let's see. I mean, it is a three-wave move. You can clearly see that. Ideally, in a wave C, we want the price to reach the 1-to-1 ratio of the A wave. That's at least a reliable target. It reached so far only the 61.8 extension level. That is a very first and early target for a C wave, in this case within wave B. And therefore I cannot rule out that it's already done, but would need to see a break below what I have labeled as wave B of B. So that level would be $1.62. If we see a break below $1.62, then I would have to assume that the C wave has started to the downside. This C wave of wave 2. I would personally prefer a little bit of a stronger wave B, just because otherwise the C wave will risk to run out of space and we may see an invalidation. But I would argue there's still some space here, also for wave C. But $1.10 remains critical bullish support. Official invalidation point is down here at 78 cents. But as you know, a break below the 78.6 fib level typically will lead to invalidation of the pattern. But overall, we had 5 waves up. We're currently tracking a potential 3-wave move down. And a healthy B wave is always preferred. But depending on what Bitcoin does now, because obviously we had fake news, a fake news event today with that Bitcoin spot ETF. So if Bitcoin as a reaction to that sells off quite strongly, then we could see the Rune C wave play out. If Bitcoin does a bit of a corrective rally, then also Rune could obviously, if the environment in the crypto space is still a little friendly, we could see a higher B wave here into resistance. But anyway, it still would allow the B wave to extend all the way up to $2.10 basically, no problem. It could quite comfortably do that. And I would argue that yes, while we have fulfilled minimum requirements for the B wave, we might still see a higher B wave as long as the $1.62 level is holding, and then below $1.62 I will track the C wave primarily. Until then, a higher B wave would still be preferred, but remember that B waves are the most difficult waves to forecast and predict. They can be very short, they can be very long, they could even overshoot, but that's not expected at this stage because the move down looks like a 5-wave move. If we have 5 waves down in wave A, it is typically very unusual to see the B wave as an overshooting B wave. And as soon as we have this clear ABC structure complete, and as long as the $1.10 level is holding, there are reasonable prospects for a 3rd wave rally in which the price should then surpass $2.27, which is the wave 1 high, and get into the $3 region, $4 region in the coming weeks. But first of all, we need to complete the wave 2, and we are maybe only halfway there. Okay, that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.